As long as we don't lose power, I think we'll be fine. We've got all the food and necessities.
Got cornbread. Here we go. Chili mix, because that's what we're making tonight.
Toothbrushes, toothpaste, socks.
We need plastic. It will keep us dry. It will keep us warm. As long as we stay underneath it, you know, the wind's not going to cut through it. There's not going to be the frostbite. There's not going to be the freezing issues.
In times like this, it's so important that we're out, we're finding people, and we're able to know where they are so we can help them prepare, especially in situations where there may not be enough shelter beds available.